Good morning, everyone. Peace upon you all. By the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today is Monday, 16th November 2020, 1st of Rabi'at the 2nd, 1442. Today, inshallah, we're going to continue our new vocabulary for this unit 5, which is we have the big question: where does our food come from? We're going to accomplish these important outcomes. First, recall the previous words, then we are going to be familiar with the new ones, okay? Now, we're going to start with the big question: where does our food come from? We said last class that we have almost 5 sources. The first one we said from supermarkets, from large farms like wheat, from your garden, okay, or your small farm. You can plant whatever you want, like the broccoli, if you remember. The fourth one, from vegetables that we plant in our land. For example, as we said, we have tomato, we had we had onion, and etc. Then the fifth one, from, if you remember, we said from animals, or from cows. We can take the butter, the milk, meat from the sheep and the goat. We can take also fish, if you remember when I ate the tuna yesterday in front of you. And we have taken the first 4 words. They were, if you remember, I'm going to show you here the words that we have taken yesterday. First of all, we're going to take look at this one. Look, sugar cane. Sugar cane. What do you mean by sugar cane? Look at this one. We took it yesterday. Sugar cane. It's a noun, a tall plant with thick stems that sugar is made from. Again, sugar cane, a tall plant with thick stems that sugar is made from. The next one, we have wheat. Look at this one. Look at this one. This is wheat. What is it? Wheat. What do we mean by wheat? It's a noun, a type of grain that can be made into flour. Look at this one. I brought this for you. These are green ones. Look at this one. Look at this. These are green ones, okay? Now, again, what do you mean by wheat? It's a noun, a type of grain that can be made into flour. This is the flour that we mean. Look at me here. Look at this one. You can make cake. We can make bread, okay? Deal? Now, we're going to move to the next word. What is it, if you remember? Cinnamon. Look at this one. Cinnamon. What do you mean by cinnamon? This is cinnamon, okay? This is the real one. And we have the powder we're going to talk about. Cinnamon, it's a noun, a brown powder that is used to give flavor to sweet food. Again, cinnamon, a noun, a brown powder that is used to give flavor to sweet foods, okay? This is the word cinnamon. What is it? Cinnamon. Again, cinnamon, okay? Now, let's move to the next word. We have butter. What is butter? Remember? Butter. Look at this one. This is butter. It's what? It's a soft yellow food that is made from milk. What is it? It's a soft yellow food that is made from milk, okay? Now, for the last time, butter, okay? Stay with me, coming back. Now, I'm back again. Now, look at this one. We have the word, look at this one. The word vanilla. Look at it, vanilla. What is vanilla? Look at me. Vanilla. It's a noun, of course, a substance from a plant that gives a taste to some sweet food. Again, vanilla is a noun, a substance. Do you know substance? What does it mean? Substance from a plant that gives a taste to some sweet food. Again, what do you mean by vanilla? It's a noun, a substance from a plant that gives a taste to some sweet food, okay? Look at this one. You use it when your mom makes the cake. She used this one, the vanilla, as a liquid, sa'il, or as a powder, okay? And you also have, you can eat ice cream with the vanilla taste. Deal? This is the vanilla. Look at me here. I have it. Look, this is vanilla. Look at it. I think everyone has this cane, okay? Now, Look at the board here. We have vanilla. Please write the words in a neat handwriting between the 4 lines. Vanilla, it's a noun, a substance from a plant that gives a taste to some sweet food. Again, vanilla, noun, a substance from a plant that gives a taste, okay, to some sweet food. For the last time, vanilla, it's a noun, a substance from a plant that gives a taste to some sweet food, okay? Now, let's move to the next word. What do you have? The next word, look here. We have the word, look at me, this one. Look, ingredients. Again, ingredients. What do you mean by ingredients? Look at me. It's a noun. Things you use when you make something to eat. Look at this one. What are these? I think they are, the ingredients of the cake. We have the flour, the egg, the sugar, the vanilla, the butter. Okay? In Arabic, you can say, المحتويات or the things, المكونات that we can have them or we can use them to make the cake. Okay? Again, ingredients, it's things you use when you make something to eat. Again, ingredients, noun, things you use when you make something to eat. Okay? The last time, what do you mean by ingredients? Things you use when you make something to eat. Look at the board here. We have the word ingredients, noun, things you use when you make something to eat. Again, what do you mean by ingredients? Noun, things you use when you make something to eat. For the last time, what do you mean by ingredients? Things you use when you make something to eat. Please write in a neat handwriting between the 4 lines because I don't have time. I had to write before I record this video, okay? Now I'm going to take 1 minute to erase the board and write the rest, okay? Stay with me, please. Deal? I'm back again. Let's move to the next word. Look at this one. Park. What do you mean by park? Look at this one. This is park. Look at this one. It's a noun, the hard surface of a tree. Look at this one. It is the hard surface of a tree. Look at this one. In Arabic, you can call it لحاء الشجرة. Okay? Look at this one. We have these parks. Look at this one. Again, look at this one. And this one. This is a very good one. Can you see it? This is park. Okay? Again, park. What is park? It is the hard surface of a tree. Again, what is it? The hard surface of a tree. For the last time, it is the hard surface of a tree. Okay? Let's look at the board, please. Please write them with a neat handwriting and between the 4 lines. Allah yarda ankum. May Allah bless you and your parents. Park, it's a noun, the hard surface of a tree. What is it? The hard surface of a tree. Again, park, the hard surface of a tree. The last time, what is park? The hard surface of a tree. Okay? Now, let's move to the next word. Look at the next word here. We have, look at this one. Plantation. Look at this one. Plantation. What do you mean by plantation? Plantation. It's a noun. A piece of land where things like tea, cotton or rubber grow. Look at this one. What are they doing, these people? They are planting or they are, planting maybe rubber or cotton. Do you know cotton? Cotton or rubber اللي هو المطاط, okay? Tea, you know the tea. It's a chai. Again, plantation means a piece of land where things like tea, cotton or rubber grow. We plant these piece of land with tea or cotton or rubber, whatever you want, okay? Again, what do you mean by plantation? It's a noun, a piece of land where things like tea, cotton or rubber grow, okay? Plantation, look at me. Between the 4 lines, plantation. Again, plantation. Again, plantation from plant, okay? What do you mean by plantation? It's a noun, a piece of land where things like tea, cotton or rubber grow. Again, what is it? It is a piece of land where things like tea, cotton or rubber grow. The last time, what do you mean by plantation? It is a piece of land where things like rubber, cotton, or like tea, cotton, or rubber grow. Okay? Let's move to the next word. Look at the next word we have. Look at this one. Look, we have the word steamship. Look at this one. Steamship. Look at this one here. Look, steamship. What do you mean by steamship? Look at this one. It is a noun, a ship driven by steam. What is it? Again, it is a ship driven by steam. Look at this white smoke. This is a steam. Look at this one. This one is a real steam. Look. Oh, this is very hot. Look at this one. Can you see the steam? Can you see the steam? Like this one. Like, look at me. Yes, can you see the steam? Here. Can you see the steam? This is steam. Steam of the boiled water or hot water. Okay? Now, steamship means it's a ship driven by steam. For the last time, what do you mean by steamship? It is, of course, a noun, a ship driven by steam. Again, what do you mean by steamship? It's a ship driven by steam. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you to excuse me for 1 minute, then I'm going to return back. Okay? Now, the next word, we are here again. Look at this one. This word is what? Look at this one. This is spoil. It's a verb. Look at this one. To become bad, to eat or drink. Look at this apple. Can you eat it? No, of course not. This one is spoiled, you know? What do you mean by spoil? It's a verb, to become bad, to eat or drink. Again, what do you mean by spoil? It's a verb, to become bad, to eat or drink. Look at this one. This is the word spoil. We're going to write it between the 4 lines. Spoil. We're going to write it between the 4 lines. Spoil. Look at this tomato. Oh. Look at this one. This is spoiled one. Can we eat it? Of course not. We can't eat it. Okay? It's not good for your health. Okay? It's bad to eat or drink. Again, what do you mean by spoil here on the board? It's a verb, to become bad, to eat or drink. Again, what do you mean by spoil? It's a verb, to become bad, to eat or drink. The last time, what do you mean by spoil? Verb, to become bad, to eat or drink. The last time, spoil. Okay? Spoil. Let's move to the last word in our new vocabs. Look at it, this one. A leopard. Look at this one. A leopard. A leopard. What do you mean by a leopard? It's a noun. A wild animal. Like a big cat. Look at it. Wow. Like a big cat with yellow fur and dark spots. You know in Arabic what this means? Al-fahd. Again. What do you mean by a leopard? It's a noun, a wild animal, like a big cat with yellow fur and dark spots. Yellow fur, you know, and dark spots. Okay? Again, what do you mean by a leopard? It's a noun, a wild animal, like a big cat with a yellow fur and dark spots. Okay? We are going to see how we can write it between the 4 lines. Look at this one. Leopard. Leopard, leopard. Okay? Now look at the board. Look at the board. Leopard, what is it? What is it? Yes, a noun, a wild animal, like a big cat with yellow fur and dark spots. Again, what do you mean by a leopard? It's a noun, a wild animal, like a big cat with yellow fur and dark spots. For the last time, what do you mean by a leopard? It's a noun, a wild animal like a big cat with yellow fur and dark spots. This was the last word here in this unit. I'm going to finish the class. We have, alhamdulillah, accomplished the important outcomes. We recalled the previous words and we have taken or be familiar with the new vocabulary. We wrote the words between the 4 lines. Please write them in your notebook with a neat handwriting and between the 4 lines. And please leave spaces between the words, okay? Make social distance between the words, okay? Now, and write in a neat handwriting again. Thank you very much for being with me. This is all for today. See you inshallah tomorrow. We are going to finish this page. We're going to work on this page 48 inshallah together. Okay? Thank you very much. May Allah bless you and your parents. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you very much.